Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to HARBRO Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices, and as you can see, we have the best deal of all time, the one that we're always waiting for, and a few of you have been hinting at, saying that your stores are fully stocked on buckets. It is bucket weekend, free bucket weekend. And before we jump in, if you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and or hyping and or joining the HARBRO Pros. And we'll jump in. We'll jump into what you can get to get your free bucket. But of course, we'll break it down a little bit for you. First, everyone, 3 days only, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, October 3rd to October 5th. No coupon required. For everyone, $30, $29.99. With purchase, you get a free bucket. Limit one in store only while supplies last. According to this picture, tools and lids sold separately. So, limit one free bucket per customer per day. Automatic discount applied at the register while supplies last. Tools and lids sold separately. And then, of course, for ITC, this is where you're really getting your buckets worth, is 3 days of buckets. Also, same time, same places. Free bucket, but with any purchase. Of course, while supplies last. And the first one the HARBROs recommend, of course, is getting your $3 lid. Has it always been $3? Getting your $3 lid with your free bucket. If you're going to use it to close something off, that's always a solid way to go. You could be one of the originals and get the very nicely priced, very nicely sized carpenter's pencil. 69 cents, 7 inches. Can't go wrong with that if you're getting your free bucket. And then, of course, outside of that, right now also priced at 99 cents is the Harbor Freight 55-pound, 19-gallon double XL bag. I know a lot of you have this. I know it. 99 cents to put your bucket in. It says it's durable double XL bag for carrying groceries, laundry, recycling, or bulky items, or all that Icon and Hercules gear that you're going to be buying. So solid gets. Outside of these, also low priced items. If you're looking for variety, these go through October 8th, is the dollar days. If you didn't get your battery terminal, pick up a battery terminal. You need to clean your batteries. That's a must. Get the $1 light, get some thread lock, blue in a red bottle. Saw some comments saying that don't sleep on this 2-inch putty knife for $2. Super high quality and lifetime warranty. Some spreaders, a $5 multimeter, $6 precision screwdriver set. There are some options in the dollar days for your free bucket. But then also sneakily, kind of like dollar days, the instant savings have some nicely low priced items. So the clamps, these Pittsburgh 2.5-inch spring clamps, 99 cents, normally $1.70. Pick one or two of those up if you need some clamps. Clamps are always useful to have around. Then we have these other Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamps, also 99 cents. You can pick up a couple magnesium fire starter just in case you're out camping, you get lost, whatever. You need to build a fire, survival, or just starting a fire in general. $1.49. Storehouse V-shape hang a lot of $1.74. Skip on the zip ties. I mean, I guess unless you need them, but those tend to be free here and there. $2.79 Centec 6 and 12 volt circuit tester with 5-foot lead. $3.99 US General magnetic parts holder 6-inch. Still a super solid get at $4. But some good deals, good options to get if you're ITC. If you're non-ITC, well, hopefully you're already making your way into Harbor Freight. And you're already looking to buy something at the $30, you're already looking to spend $30. That way you make your trip worth it. Maybe pick up the Icon Master Technician's gloves, $25. That'll almost get you there. The brand new Bauer 1800 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute portable electric pressure washer. That's new. Or you can dress up your bucket all ready for Halloween and get the Bauer 5-gallon bucket tool bag. Again, you know what bucket's under here. Perfect time, $10. Get your free bucket. This is what I recommend. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy shopping. Happy Harbor Freight and good luck out there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.